Christmas, a season of twinkling lights, warm hearts, and stories that linger like the scent of cinnamon in the air. In a small, cozy town nestled between snowy hills and evergreen forests lived a young girl named Alara. She loved Christmas more than anyone else, not because of gifts or parties, but because she believed Christmas decoration carry memories of family, laughter, and love. As the first snowflakes fell, Lara would take out a little wooden box from the top shelves of her cupboard. Inside it were teeny ornaments saved from many. Lara would take a little wooden box from the top shelves of her cupboards. Inside it were teeny ornaments saved from many Christmas before they were simple: a paper star, a pine cone angle, a jute ribbon box, and a teeny bell that had lots its shiny but not its sound. Each of them carried a story, and this year she wanted to create something more, something handmade, something meaningful, something that would remind everyone in her home that Christmas is not about how grand the decorations are, but about the love we wrap them. So she began gathering things: pine cones from the front yard, dry twigs from the old oak trees, some jute rope crafted with patience, colorful scraps of paper she had saved, thoughtful the air, and a small bit of glitter she kept for special days. Alara believed that even the smallest things, the most people throw away, could become beautiful Christmas decoration, and she was right. First, she picked up a pine cone. She tied a small jute bow at the top and adding a teeny bells. Simple, natural, warm. It did not look expensive. Next, she cut paper stars, not perfect in shapes but shining with hearts. She glued them with a dusting of glitter, holding them gently so they would not tears. Then she took twigs, formed a small wreath, just twigs but arranged with attention. She wrapped it with a thin strand of jute and adding dried oranges sliced for fragrance. Little by little, her home began to change, not with store-bought sparkles but with handmade warmth. She also made his ladder, topping with glitters, snowflakes. That evening, her mother entered the living room and stopped in surprise. The doll was now glow with soft color, and the windows still were dotted with pine cones ornaments. The dining table had centerpiece made of twigs and candles. Her mother did not say anything at first. She simply smiled, a warm, heartfelt smile that spoke louder than words, because she remembered the Christmas when she herself had made decoration with her own mother. The memories came back like slow snowfall, gentle, soft, beautiful. And that the magic of Christmas decoration. It's not about buying the fanciest light, it's not about filling every corner with glitter. It's about creating something with your hands, your time, your hearts. It's about memory, it's about togetherness, it's about love that become visible. When we decorate our homes, we are not just placing ornaments, we are placing movement. We are saying this is home is alive, this home is warm, this home is whole love. Hope you like the video. If you like, so please must subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more amazing videos and updates. Appreciate your support, appreciate your comments, appreciate your thoughts. So keep watching my channel, keep supporting. If you are new, so please must subscribe. God bless you all.